Today we are here to ask one simple question. Can ChatGPT predict the price of XRP for the month of November? Let's find out. If you're new to the channel, we play a game with ChatGPT where we have it predict the price of a particular cryptocurrency each month, and then the following month we take a look, see if they were right or see if they were wrong. Before we get into the video, I do want to ask one special favor. If you guys wouldn't mind subscribing if you like the video, we are 2 away from 2,000 subscribers. I wouldn't normally ask at this point, but really close to a milestone, so I figured I would ask. With that being said, let's get to the question. Hey ChatGPT, you got last month's guess wrong, so let's give it another shot. This time we're guessing the price of XRP for November 2025. Right now XRP is sitting around $2.44. Look back at the historical performance of XRP in November since it was first introduced. Has November usually been positive or negative month for XRP? Give me 3 guesses for November 2025. A bullish guess, a bearish guess, and the guess that actually matters, the official/standard guess. Let's tighten things up. No massive ranges this time, just close, focused guesses for each one. Be sure to include both the exact price value and range for each guess. No need to explain how you got there, just hit us with the results. Okay, and we officially have our answer. Historical November performance. November has often been a positive month for XRP. For example, in November 2020, it rose 153% from open to close. Data shows that between 2018 and 2024, it had positive returns in about 57% of years, so while not guaranteed, historically the odds lean towards a gain. So it seems like a majority of Novembers have been positive, but let's get to the guesses. The bearish guess, $2.15 to $2.25. The exact bearish guess is $2.20. Remember, last month they actually got the bearish guess right. Even though we only care about the official guess, it's good to know that its ranges can be somewhat accurate. Let's take a look at the official guess. This is what it will be graded on if they're right or wrong. Range between 243 and 253. The exact guess, $2.48. The bullish guess, $2.75. Range between 270 and 280. So it looks like the official guess does not have much of a range. It's a slightly positive guess, but other than that, it looks like we would only be up a couple cents from where we are now if ChatGPT is correct. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you agree with the bearish guess, the official guess, the bullish guess, or do you think it's going to be something completely different? Let me know in the comment section below. With that being said, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe. Again, we are 2 away from 2,000, so it would mean a lot to me. Other than that, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.